everyone, hope everyone is well. Making tandoori chicken today. It's for dinner. This is my first vlog in this channel. Hopefully you like it. So I've made already homemade tandoori paste, which I've mixed here already. I'll be trying to give you vlogs once a week at least. I'll do my best that I can. Please like, share, comment, make suggestions. I love this bright red. I'm gonna mix this very well. Love chicken tandoori. Let me know what kind of things you like and suggest me to make. If I can, I will definitely. Love the red. This color was there already in the powder. I didn't add any food color. It's already red. Bear with me, like my videos, share, comment. In the beginning I'll be making few minutes videos, probably in 5 minutes or so. Slowly I'll be extending. I'll be making 10 minutes, 20 minutes later on, so bear with me. Going to freeze for at least half an hour before I put it in the oven. In my videos I'll be speaking English and Bengali, so everybody can understand. Well, most people. Today is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the moms. Hope everybody's having a good day and having loads of chocolates, any kind of desserts. So I'm going to put this in the oven now. Take care. Bye everyone.